What if artificial intelligence could rewrite its own rules the way living cells reorganize their chemistry? The researchers behind ActPC-Chem propose exactly that, a cognitive architecture where prediction, action, and symbolic reasoning emerge from a self-modifying soup of rewrite rules. Traditional active predictive coding operates in continuous spaces, using local error signals for biologically plausible learning. ActPC-Chem takes these principles into the discrete symbolic domain, where rewrite rules themselves become the generative models that predict and transform data. The framework balances two competing drives. Exploratory signals maximize prediction errors to discover novel patterns, while goal-oriented signals minimize errors to achieve specific outcomes. This balance guides the system through complex reasoning tasks with delayed rewards, like teaching a virtual robot bug to navigate using context-dependent causal rules. The algorithmic chemistry at the heart of ActPC-Chem functions as a digital primordial soup where rewrite rules continually evolve and transform. Rules can modify themselves and other rules, enabling the spontaneous emergence of new cognitive strategies without external programming. One bold speculation is adapting transformer architectures through this rule-based lens, replacing backpropagation with symbolic transformations. This could yield multimodal predictions grounded in logical coherence, potentially reducing hallucinations while maintaining the power of large-scale pattern recognition. While ActPC-Chem remains conceptual, it charts a path toward AGI by unifying predictive coding, symbolic reasoning, and self-organization into a single kernel. If you're curious about architectures that could rewrite the future of intelligence, explore more at emergentmind.com, where you can dive deeper and create your own research videos.